We'll have fucking knife here, boys. We'll do it in the hood. Alright. Yeah, guys, we're sponsored by Raceland over here. Whew.
It's not a toy.
It is a toy.
Yeah.
It's just plastic.
It actually come with everything.
Yeah.
That's
It's not a toy.
Damn, bro.
It's not a toy.
Shit, this bad boy's gonna be going on. Stay tuned, boys. Damn. You look sick.
Those are different than mine, dude.
My first time buying my first set, boys, alright?
eBay special $200.
No, straight from Raceland, boy.
Yellow red.
What are you eating?
Candy.
Huh?
Candy.
You like it? Where do we go?
Just in the car with Jax right now. We're gonna drop the turbo.
Tom Brady who, Miguel?
Tom Brady, you want some of my front mount?
Tell him to sponsor you, Miguel.
The thing that it didn't be.
Oh yeah, they kind of fucked up. You know how they give you like
The keychain shit?
a keychain, like a little coil looking shit?
Those red.
Oh, what is this? This is missing like the fucking other part too. The fucking bottom piece. It's whatever. It's so, as long as these bad boys came through.
Go look at Les Schwab.
Just ignore my disc plates, they're a little scratched.
What?
The fucking disc.
Happening in Ricky.
Let me take this trim piece off. To get to the top. Strap bolt shit. I didn't know RSs came with this.
It's fake, it's slow. Look at this piece of shit.
Honestly, just says that.
There's his plates if you want to go report him to the police department.
Oh,
What'd you do wrong now?
that's the wrong size, boys.
We need a new member. He's not useful anymore.
We need a new camera,
Messes
man.
everything
I'm
up.
fucking gets fucked all the time.
Fuck you.
Oil change. That's today. It's time. It's that time again.
How long has it been?
Oh, well, a couple months probably. Well, I daily this fucking piece of shit right now, so. Here you go with Mobile One. Sponsor us.
Anything for to lay on while I do the oil changes.
We have big turkey that on Subaru Stage 3, front mount, big turbo, 1000cc injectors. Now it's ready to take your hoe. Oh, by the way, he's single. He's ready to move on and shit. You think what's a bad look, with a fat ass? And like that's freaky as fucking
He
bad.
doesn't show his face.
Wait, what? You can take out the oil filter off. But I got this most of it off. You just, the way you gotta take this out is you gotta stick like a metal piece behind here, and then between these right here for the knuckle, and then you put the bolt the opposite side, which adds like pressure to it, and then it opens this up right here. You can just basically like wiggle it out, I guess. Just waiting for him so he can be done so he can step on the thing and take it out. This nigga's working in his Air Forces. Those are brand new he takes out. He's got like 10 pairs.
Yeah, he has a fucking hole in his pants.
Huh?
Holy fuck!
He has a fucking hole in his pants.
Hey, don't look down like that.
There we go.
Dude, the hardest thing here is a fucking oil filter. It's been over an hour.
He's been over, yeah, he's been over. He hasn't taken that shit out.
It's fucking tight as a bitch.
But how long did it take with that piece of shit?
Almost 2 hours, huh?
Yeah, we took like, we've been struggling for that shit.
Finally take it.
There we go.
It's just dumb, bro. We still gotta drive it in, settle in, you know? See how it comes out.
Mira, perro, güey.